If you want to host the best fondue night ever, it starts right here. 3 courses, a few simple tips, and one best-kept secret that changes everything. Cheese, fry, chocolate. Let's make Christmas dinner they'll never forget.
He owns the restaurant. They're a great cook. And then there's
you got us.
Yeah.
Fondue is more than dinner. It's an experience. And welcome to our table. Start with the table. Keep it simple, cozy, and functional. And here's a pro tip. Use a plastic tablecloth. It protects the table, and cleanup takes 2 minutes. And give fried items a landing zone, a towel in a dish, and a skimmer ready to rescue anything that slips. It all starts in the kitchen way before the guests arrive. We start classic, Gruyere and Emmentaler. A garlic rub pot, white wine, a snowdrift of cheese. And just a whisper of nutmeg. Keep the heat low, keep the stir gentle. Fondue rewards patience. This first course sets the tone. Bread is traditional, but don't stop there. Blanched cauliflower, tart apples, these are secret weapons. They brighten the cheese and balance the richness. And a crisp white wine never hurts. Tonight, South Africa joins the party. Next, Fondue Bourguignonne. Protein veggies and a fryer at the center of the table. Chicken, shrimp, beef, broccoli, onions, mushroom, bell pepper, and potatoes. And here's a bonus tip. Try tempura batter. Light, crispy, and it turns vegetables and proteins into something addictive. Tonight, 3 sauces, 0 stress, and each one earns its place at the table. We're using Korean ketchup, ginger, soy, sesame oil, and honey, sweet heat and depth. A tangy curry, mayonnaise, curry powder, red Thai paste, lemon, creamy, bright, and unexpected. And garlic mustard, stone ground and yellow with Kewpie mayo and grated garlic. This is rich, savory, and perfect with tempura. This is where fondue becomes interactive. Everyone is cooking their own favorites. Crispy tempura here, a sizzling shrimp there. It's dinner and entertainment in the same moment. Here's to good food, good company, and a table that feels like home.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
doesn't resemble anything.
One of them's mine.
Woo. tempura mushroom?
Tempura mushroom with the Korean.
And because it's Christmas, we start dessert with a Czech tradition. Walnut boats with candlelight. A wish for the year ahead.
Oh,
Oh, Dad's out.
I died. I pushed
Yeah, me
one.
too.
I didn't even claim one.
Well, I think I died.
Pescadero.
I guess I'll take
Took
one.
one.
Chocolate fondue finishes the night. Strawberries, banana bites, Rice Krispie squares, and yes, salty pretzels. Trust me, salt with chocolate is the move most people miss. Tonight's secret to fondue. Plastic tablecloth, easy cleanup. Landing zone for fried items. Cauliflower and apples with cheese. Tempura option in the main course. 3 sauces, no stress. And a salt dessert, a game changer. Fondue isn't just food, it's shared time. And that's the real secret. Thanks for joining us. If this inspired you, like, subscribe, and come back for more at Glass Plate and Beyond.